Better.
Do the exercise and it's just
Remember we talked about when I first started. So like when the joint is stuck, it's almost like a rusty hinge. You just gotta keep doing at it until it unlocks a little bit, and once you get it unlocked, then you keep it unlocked, and then you get better range of motion with it.
Right.
So it just has to go through. It's just like your mid back. We were having some issues in the beginning, but now it's just moving really nice. So same thing here. But now, there we go, a little bit right there. And let's do this and this. See if we can unlock it this way. Deep breath. Let it out. Let it all out. Try to relax. A little bit more. There we go. Relax. Awesome. Deep breath. Let it out. Let it out. Excellent. Excellent. Good. Moved it all.
Awesome.
The drop here to get that L5 moving a little bit more. Good. Deep breath. Let it out. Good. And then one more time.